What does it mean to understand the big picture in software development, and why is it important? The big picture, in this context, isn't a literal image, but a comprehensive understanding of the system as a whole. It's about grasping the interconnectedness of various components within the software, their purpose, and how they interact to meet the end goal. It's about seeing beyond individual tasks, and understanding how each piece contributes to the larger puzzle. This bird's-eye perspective is crucial in aligning the efforts of different team members, ensuring software quality, and meeting business objectives. It's like a roadmap that guides software engineers and quality assurance teams through the intricate maze of code, design, and user requirements. Without this overarching view, we risk losing sight of our goals, producing disjointed software, or worse, crafting solutions that don't align with the business's needs. Now, let's dive deeper into how different roles contribute to this understanding. Imagine being a software engineer. How do you contribute to the big picture? Let's dive into this. First on the list is architecture. It's like a city's blueprint, showing where everything fits and how all the parts interact. An engineer needs to understand this blueprint, the design principles behind it, and how different components of the system interact with each other. Think of it as understanding the roadways and traffic rules of the city that is your software. Next, we have business goals. This is where the engineer needs to understand not just the what, but also the why of the software. It's about grasping the business requirements and objectives the software aims to fulfill, and aligning technical decisions with these goals. It's like knowing why a specific building is placed in a certain part of the city. Then, there's the Codebase Understanding. This is having a holistic view of the entire city, knowing its structure, neighborhoods, and how changes in one area might affect others. It's like being aware that constructing a new building might affect the traffic flow in another part of the city. Finally, collaboration. This is about working closely with other team members, sharing knowledge, and contributing to discussions about system-wide decisions. It's like city planners working together, sharing expertise, and making decisions that shape the entire city. So as a software engineer, understanding the big picture means being acutely aware of how your work fits into the broader context. Now put yourself in the shoes of a QA team member. How does your role fit into the big picture? As a QA team member, you're the gatekeeper of quality. You devise the testing strategy, understanding the software's functionalities and their interdependencies. Think of it as a puzzle. Each piece is a functionality, and your job is to ensure they all fit together seamlessly. You also grasp the end-user perspective, ensuring the software meets their needs and expectations. Imagine you're testing a food delivery app. You'd want to make sure it's easy to search for your favorite restaurant, place an order, and track the delivery, right? That's what user experience is all about. Identifying potential impacts of bugs across the system is another crucial part of your role. A bug that causes a minor inconvenience might be a low priority, but a bug that crashes the app when placing an order, that's a major issue that needs immediate attention. Finally, you're part of a feedback loop, providing valuable insights to the development team. Your comprehensive understanding of the system helps identify areas for improvement. It's like being a detective, finding clues that lead to a better software experience. So, whether it's crafting a comprehensive testing strategy, advocating for the user, prioritizing bugs, or providing feedback, your role is pivotal. As a QA team member, you play a critical role in ensuring that the software not only works as intended, but also delivers value to the end users. In conclusion, understanding the big picture in software development is not just about knowing your role, but also how it contributes to the overall objectives. Software engineers need a thorough grasp of the system's architecture, the business goals it serves, and the implications of their code-based decisions. They must also value collaboration, sharing knowledge and insights to make informed, system-wide decisions. On the other hand, QA team members must be adept at devising effective testing strategies, empathizing with the end user's experience, understanding the potential impacts of bugs, and providing valuable feedback to the development team. But remember, both roles share the common thread of continual learning. Staying abreast of emerging technologies, industry trends, and best practices is essential to adapt and contribute effectively to the team's success. This video was created by Ahmad and generated by an AI. If you have any questions or thoughts, feel free to leave a comment. Remember, in software development, it's crucial to always keep the big picture in mind.